Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel ice cream at home, easy method. Heat 1 cup sugar gently until amber, then add 1 cup cream and a half TSB salt to form caramel. Whisk into 4 beaten egg yolks while tempering, then stir in 1 cup milk. Chill the custard, churn according to your machine, and freeze until firm for scoopable, creamy caramel ice cream you can enjoy at home. In this video, I will explain how to make caramel ice cream at home, easy method. Start by melting sugar until deep amber and remove from heat. Slowly pour in warmed cream while stirring to keep it smooth and prevent splashes. Stir in salt and vanilla, then cool slightly before combining with the custard base. These steps give you silky caramel with balanced sweetness and no grainy texture in the final ice cream. In this video, I will review how to make caramel ice cream at home, easy method. Quick recommendation. If you want an easy way to store scoops, toppings, or leftovers, try these leak-proof containers for mess-free meal prep and airtight storage. They stack well in the freezer and make portioning simple. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will help make caramel ice cream at home, easy method. Whisk hot caramel into egg yolks gradually to temper, then return to low heat and cook until the custard coats a spoon around 175 degrees F. Strain the custard, chill it completely, and then churn according to your ice cream maker's instructions. Proper chilling and gentle churning create a creamy, scoopable texture that highlights the caramel flavor perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.